Hello and welcome. Here's a clip to slide into the third episode. This one could be called classic. I think everyone knows what's gonna happen. A red car runs a red light and hits another red car. Dude, really. I had this on my mind since the first time I've seen the clip.
Whoa! Oh, shit!
Remember what I said before? You just know what's gonna happen.
I didn't see him coming. Did you? What do I do?
The guy at the left nearly got rid of his phone. I've had to watch this clip 2 or 3 times to really understand what's going on, so take your time. I don't know why, but it took me way too long to realize that this is a roundabout. Like, I've didn't seen it the first 2 times I watched the clip. You might think someone is gonna overtake you completely dumb, but no. Just look. I think this guy was distracted by his phone. This genius here thinks it's a good idea to pass our camera car, but yeah, that didn't turn out well. Yeah, driving casually on the highway, but then this white car comes from the back and hits them. And the weirdest thing is, the driver of the white car had the audacity to file a claim against the driver of our camera car. Always keep your safety distance, then something like this can't happen.
He can then, write a paper about and know all about how the hydrogen bomb works or something, but know that they're working on it or not working on it or whatever. Gave that information both to the Russians and to the British. Whatever he
I hate it, but I really can't tell what happened. So maybe the truck lost an tire or he got smashed by the side. I don't know. But our camera car had some insane luck right here that the truck didn't hit him. Well, pretty unlucky what happened here, but in my opinion, the car in the first lane right in front of us is at fault in this case. If you don't have a lane to turn left, you just make your own. Look how easy it is. At least it seems like he realizes that he's wrong. So let's head to the next clip. And there we have the next guy who thinks also he can make his own lane, because why not?
Take it! You take it! You on the phone with your phone! My wife!
I don't think I need to tell you that it's not a good idea to pull out in front of a truck who is approaching to you with nearly 60 miles per hour. Something I've never seen before. This deer tripped in front of his car and saved its life. But I would say it went well, so everything fine. Did we already talk about people who take their exit at the last second? No? We probably all agree that these driving actions were completely unnecessary. you probably know what I think about this, so let's go into the next clip. Not only cars can do shit like this, like we've seen before, but please, can we talk about the way he looked at the driver? Not the best idea to pass the cars right here in the opposite lane, because you see, it works out for a few seconds for sure, but then another car merges out between the lanes and hits the biker, but I think he's fine. Nothing bad happened right here. And again, someone who doesn't look when he makes a left turn, nearly hits the grey car and cut off the red car. Yeah. So let's get into the last clip, and here we see someone who please should never be allowed ever again to drive a car. Dude, this is just crazy. So, the end of the third episode. I had some problems with my with the sound of my voice because I switched my editing software, but I still hope you enjoyed it, and if so, leave a like and then subscribe if you want to see more of my content. I try to upload at least once a week from now on, and always to improve the content. So if you have something you want to tell me, something I could make better, please let me know in the comments. Bye.